Joseph Erap Estrada at ilang personalidad dumalaw sa huling gabi ng burol ni Gloria Romero. Panoorin ang ilang mga bidyong na ibahagi.
Saan ba? Dito lang.
Ban. Para sa balik sa mahal.
Wow.
Bayo. Yan. Pina.
On Tuesday. Thank you. Dito po. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3.
Ganyan kami talaga pag nakikita-kita eh.
One more. 1, 2, 3.
Yung balik sa mahal na.
Of course, not totally okay because we just lost one of the most beautiful human beings that I've ever met, that we have ever seen on the golden and ano tawag sa pinilakang tabi. Okay, sabihin ko lang ulit Siyempre, hindi natin masabi, okay ako, personally. Okay tayong lahat, no? Okay tayo. Pero, nawalan tayo ng isang icon, isang babaeng talagang tiningala natin sa pinilakang tabi. Napakaganda niya, hindi lamang dahil sa itsura niya, kundi sa kanyang pagdala sa sarili, pakikipagkapwa-tao. She's really a beautiful human being.
Speaking of pakikipagkapwa-tao, so you work po together in Moments of Love, diba?
Yes, and other projects such as Fuchsia, and then Dress Desaya.
Yeah. Ano po yung mamimiss nyo kay Miss Gloria?
Baka other, hindi ko na maalala lahat.
Ang dami po, no?
Oo.
Ano po mamimiss nyo kay Miss Gloria?
Actually, at ko na siyang hindi nakakasama ng matagal. Kasi nga, when I moved to ABS-CBN, nasa Channel 7. So, hindi na kami masyado nakapagtrabaho after noon. Nagkikita na lang kami sa mga social functions. Pero nung mga times na mas madalas kami magkasama, naalala ko lagi siyang, she would always, like a lot of the more senior actors that I work with, they like imparting wisdom. Because I also like asking questions. Stories. Parang lagi kung gusto ko kasi sanang mahuli sa kanya kung may kabilyahan siya, ganyan. Wala, mabait talaga siya. And then her professionalism. Para talaga yan sila nila Tito Eddie eh. I remember sabi talagang memorize niya yung script niya. And she was always just there on set. And yung when she was on screen, she certainly had a presence. And you could feel her presence kahit na hindi siya nag-iingay or nagsisigaw. It was a silent, beautiful, yet very strong and serene presence. Yun siya eh, parang kalmado lang. Siguro kasi din, nung na-meet ko siya, she was probably in her 60s already. Because, I can imagine, baka pag 60 na ako, mas kalmado na ako ng konti. Hindi ko alam. Makulit kasi ako eh. Parang naisip ko, isang araw kaya magiging kasing ako, grasyosa ako ni Tita. Parang, hindi kasi image lang.
Yeah.
Pero si Tita talaga yung, kung ano yun, yung parang very soft spoken. Nakamiss yung may warmth and sincerity.
So
Ma'am,
yun,
ano lagi yung naipap?
Yeah.
Na payo sa
Yeah.
mga kasama?
Maalala ang mga payo talaga na specific. Pero lagi naman yun about professionalism, about kindness, and I think more than words nga na imparted, it was shown through actions. Kasi sometimes you say one thing but you show another thing. I think with her, she's so beautiful to watch as well. So yung titignan mo lang siya. Kasi nga, nandun yung, hindi ko naman siya narinig ko complain sa age niya. Or na, wala na siya sinabi na may yung mga wrinkles. Hindi ko complain. You know what I mean? Like, isip ko kasi parang, syempre, tumatanda na rin tayo, di ba? Parang, lagi kong iniisip, I want to age as healthily and lovingly as Tita Gloria. Diba? Yung parang, not once did I hear her na gusto ko ipag-botox to. Gusto ko magpa-facelift. It was not part of the conversation. It was nice. Diba? Yeah, she led by example.
can you share po any unforgettable moment that you had?
I have forgotten. Ang dami. I think ano lang talaga, yun, naalala ko sa Fuchsia, yung nga, yung tatanong ako about scenes, yung pag-memorize ng script. Moments of love kasi, hindi kami masyado magka-eksena kasi ako siya.
Yeah.
Siya ako. But more of dun sa mga Andres Design, mga backstage moments na. Yun lang, yung talagang I remember just observing.
So last for me po, do you believe na Miss Gloria Romero deserves to be called a national artist?
Why her body of work already, I think, is a testament of her artistry. And I think so. Wow, what a question. Yeah, I think she this was her art form. I think it's something to be discussed, obviously, there. But for me, of course, I would love for her to be a national artist.
Thank you po.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.